Hello, parents. Oftentimes, while teaching my table etiquette class, I ask the students which is their favorite restaurant. Typically, they would say McDonald's, Wendy's, Taco Bell, even Chick-fil-A. And I asked that question with the intentions of speaking of the experience you would have while dining in a restaurant. Unfortunately, many of our students are not exposed to dining in a restaurant. It doesn't have to be a five-star restaurant. However, parents, I encourage you to take the time to have your children dine in a restaurant where they're able to sit without the cell phone. This would be a no cell phone zone, and enjoy the experience. Enjoy the conversations with you and the other guests at the table. Enjoy the taste of the food, the ambiance of the restaurant, the beautification of the table, and just be present. That is what we need our young people to experience. Being present in the moment and not being distracted by technology. So parents, I challenge you, if it is feasible, take your children out to a nice restaurant so they can have the experience. They will learn how to interact with the waiter and waitress. Yes, thank you. No, thank you. With a smile and all of those niceties. So take the challenge, run with it. Help your young people to experience something outside of the norm. Thank you so much.